creating some nice textures.
Hi there, I'm calling from the Cotswold chalkboard.
Got a trolley. Got a trolley.
Been scanning and setting up a load of textures for the additional chalk texture pack that I'm going to be doing for design cuts. A little messy, creating some nice textures. Dressed as a chalkboard backdrop today. Just how stylish and coordinated I am. I've been spending all day today working on this product for design cuts, a chalkboard textures pack to be included in an upcoming bundle. Just finished putting together this preview image, which I'm pretty happy with. I've never done one of these before, and it was quite fun putting it all together. What is it? It's about 10 to 2 in the morning, but my sleep patterns have gone a little bit haywire again. But I think I can get really a bit of a lie-in tomorrow, because it's not a situation tonight where I'm going to have to sacrifice sleep, so that's always good. And I've kind of got my first product almost done and dusted, which is quite exciting, because I've been wanting to do some digital products for a while, because obviously the aspect of the passive income with those is quite useful if you're freelancing. Is that if you ever have a situation where you can't work, having measures in place where you can still generate income is it's just a good measure to take. Can't wait to get this out, and I hope you like it.
Hi there, my name's Joanna Fallon. I'm calling from the Cotswold chalkboard. I just wanted to let you know that I'll be coming over to pick up the chalkboards outside the building in just under an hour. Brilliant, thanks very much. Cheers, bye. Right, it's Tuesday, and as you probably just gathered from the call, I'm going to go to Brewery Arts Centre to where I did their Christmas boards, and I'm going to be updating their boards every quarter, and the time has come to do the first ones for this year. Right, let's go.
Got the boards. It just suddenly seems so far away to my flat. Right, managed to get these bad boys in the flat. Oh god, pretty chunky boards. God, I'm knackered. Oh, I need to get back to the gym.
Better get started on these then. Good morning. It's about probably a little after 10 on a Thursday morning, and so you've made a little bit more progress with the boards, but not as much as I would like, because one, I've realised that my pens don't seem to be writing particularly well on this board. It's quite roughly textured. I don't know if like a different paint's been used, but it was basically all getting really scuffed up and scratching and not writing particularly well. But then I had this moment of dread when I realised I didn't actually have the right pens. But I realised last night that my pens had run out, and that's a problem because I need them quite urgently. So I'm now in a mad dash to the local art store to check they've got some Posca pens, which I think they have. I had a look online, so yeah, I'm gonna hopefully get some there and redeem myself. It had been on my to-do list for a long time to just check and order some more, but somehow that slipped my mind, and last night I was just opening my little toolbox and I was like, oh crap, they're not there. So luckily there's I knew of a local art shop that I've not been to yet, but always kept meaning to, and they have come up trumps, because look at all these pens. They have seriously saved my bacon. Armed with some fresh stock and some new colours, I'm gonna get on with this, because I've got quite a lot to do now in the next sort of day and a bit. That'll teach me to make sure to always stay topped up on materials, which is very important. And I can get on with it. I can finally now have my coffee now I've got back. And we're ready to start the day.
Got a pile of pens and 3 completed boards. Sorry I didn't record the time lapse. I kind of just got a little bit too into it and forgot all about the camera, but I've got to go get some bubble wrap, get these wrapped up, hauled out to my car and then delivered over to New Brewery Arts, and hopefully they'll like it and I'll get them plenty of attention for the next few months. This is my new bit of kit, which I'm hoping is going to help me transport these 3 massive boards without crushing myself. Hope it works. Got a trolley. Got a trolley. Right. Oh, that makes things so much easier.